Hello and welcome to WebMeet. This tutorial shows you how to use screen share effectively when it's the right tool, and when WebMeet's built-in tools give you a better result. Share screen is useful when you need to show something that is live and interactive, such as a website, software, back office, online form, or any workflow that needs to be demonstrated in real time. If it will add value to your meeting, you and others can choose to have your cameras on during a share screen broadcast. But it's important to know this. Share screen is not always the best tool for every kind of presentation. If you're showing a slide deck, a PDF, or a video, WebMeet gives you much better options. Present slides and present videos are built to display that content more clearly, with better quality, less bandwidth, and fewer distractions. By default, guests do not have access to share screen unless the host gives them that permission. To share your screen, click Share Screen. Click OK. Then choose what you want others to see in the meeting. Once selected, click Share. And again, if it will add value to your meeting, you and others can choose to have your cameras on during a share screen broadcast. When you're finished, click Stop Sharing. To give share screen rights to any guest, click the guest list. Click the three dots menu next to the guest. Click Share Screen. Your guest can now share their screen by clicking the blue Share Screen button at the top of their screen. When ready, your guest can choose to stop sharing their screen, or as the host, you can revoke that right by following those same steps and then select Take Over Share Screen. WebMeet gives you multiple options for visually engaging your guests. The more wisely you choose the right tool for the job, the more confident you will feel. The more professional your meetings will look, and the easier it becomes for others on your team to duplicate what you're doing. Thank you for your interest in WebMeet, and thanks for watching.